Introducing the stunning 2024 Skoda Octavia AMB 1.0 TSI 110 in sleek grey. This saloon is packed with luxury and safety features, including Bluetooth, cruise control, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking. With a powertrain warranty and anti-corrosion warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a stop and start system and energy recuperation. Our vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. For more details, call us or visit spiritskoda.ie. Don't miss out on this premium ride.